All right, let's get it going. Okay, so hopefully my screen's showing up. I think it is. There we go. All right. All right, so we're back again. So after last week, I had to redo all of this from the first few sessions, and it was a lot of fun trying to make this right the first time around, or rather the second time around, and also it was cool to see how quickly I could get it done and also keep it relatively parametric. I mean, it's not parametric anymore, but at least like all this arraying is parametric, so that was nice to have. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to step back here, remove this parametricity. I don't know what to call it. Well, not remove it, but just like step back a few steps. And we're going to go back and do the single thing. Let's see if I don't crash this, Okay. Today I'm going to be working on the back frame. So the frame that holds this whole thing together. So all the vertical parts and all the... So I'm going to actually do that. There we go. This step I like right here. So I'm going to create one frame that's going to hold this whole thing together. And of course, I'm going to array it with the rest of it. And then we're going to look at the horizontal frames, crossbars that are going to hold it all together. So there is some difficulty or challenge to this because this is larger than 8 feet. So we're going to need more than one piece of plywood to it. Yeah, let's change that. So foot, just to give an 8. So it's 11 feet, a little over 11 feet of plywood. So basically we're going to have to stagger it. So I'm going to need a full sheet going top to bottom, and then less than the full sheet from bottom to wherever it's meeting. And then we're going to stagger that, alternating every time. So that is relatively annoying, but we can still figure it out. And it's going to have to overlap at some point. I'm even thinking of maybe having it overlap over a couple of frames just to make sure that it works out. So I think that's one thing to do, because then that's going to inform me where I can have hardware to bolt this all together. So where I'm going to put in T-nuts, and also how I'm going to modify these little guys so that when I do cut them out, I also do a little recess for the T-nuts so everything's nice and flush, cut out the holes for the T-nuts, all that fun stuff. And then also I'm going to try to, maybe another session later on, figure out what font to use so that it engraves properly. So I'm going to look at different fonts at some point. But yeah, today is still structure this whole framing structure, and we will hopefully in the next episode or two start working on the panels and actually start laying out the map as well. And so Allie is going to start doing some work as well. She doesn't want to be on camera, which is totally fine. But I'm trying to convince her to at least be in a work along session where at the very least I'll chat with her, like voice chat, or we'll have a Discord going on, and I'll be working. She can be working too. I can watch what she's doing and that kind of stuff. And yeah, just work together, work alongs. I love those. So difference from last time to first version to this version, these cross beams are actually shorter or smaller than the full footprint of the panel. Reason being is then this is all standardized. This is all the same piece. These two pieces are exactly the same, whether it be horizontal or vertical. They just have to cut out, and that'll give me a good... there might be two versions, vertical ones and horizontal ones, just because I'm going to see how the hardware works and whether it's worth differentiating them which I think there might be just for the sake of less cutting time within the CNC, and so that might be something to look at. But anyway, and also I'm going to look at not venting holes. They're not weight holes, but they're really more for like routing electrical. So if we did want to do any kind of lighting in each of the things, then we can have that. But if we don't, we don't. That's totally fine. You know, it's not going to be a problem. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to start with a sketch over here on this plane, and I'm just going to try to decide, you know, how far do I want this. I'm actually going to do a little, maybe, you know what I want? Maybe I'm just going to project these, because maybe what I'm going to do is I'm going to do an offset that's deeper than these cross beams until we get to pretty much vertical. And then I'm going to start going straight down. I think that might be so just to avoid, I'll have to think about it, because if I just do an offset, it might be difficult to cut something that'll slot into it. Maybe I do need to make it vertical. Okay. Maybe. Okay. You know what? I'm going to give this a try first. I'm going to see how it works, and then go from there. You know what? I don't even think I need to draw any of this. Let me just see if I can. Oh yeah, I probably will. There are gaps. There are gaps. Trying to send the link to Allie, but my phone died and I'm having issues with it when it charges. So I'm gonna try to send the link shortly to Allie so she can watch. Yeah, it should be fine. Okay. I'm gonna do an offset. Chain selection. Oh, you don't like that? Okay. That is mildly annoying. Someone's probably going to be like, you know, just turn off the bodies. Which is true. You're not wrong. Nope, can't do window selection, so bite me. You know? Damn you, Fusion. Okay, what do we got here? What are we going to do? 200? More? 300? I think 200 is fair. Double the 250. 250 seems like a nice round number. Yep, that seems like a good number right there. And then we're going to do a line from here to here. Project. Just gonna make a perpendicular line, doesn't matter to where. I apologize for the dog that's barking outside, by the way. He's just yapping away, huh? Ooh, I think I... There we go. Yeah, I'm getting like a double click out of my thing, out of my mouse. I don't know what to call it. Shoot. There we go. How tall do I want this? Just a foot up? Do I want just a foot? Two feet? Ooh, 2 feet's gonna be too big. Ooh, but 2 feet makes sense off the ground. Urgh, that's annoying. All right, let's make it 2 feet. We can chop this down if we need to, like later on if we find that, but okay. What's our new height then? 13 feet, almost 14 feet. Okay, 14 feet tall. Down with that, down with that. No, I'm gonna extend. Okay. Yeah, I'm just trying to find a, there we go. Just trying to find the actual apex of this thing. Yep. Okay, perfect. That's the apex of it. All right. Now let's project these things, these edges, so that just wraps around. Like usual, I think I'm going to do about an hour and a half today. Unless like my stomach decides to like eat me alive, but I think it should be okay. Or if I'm having a particularly frustrating session. But we'll see. Okay. All right. Yeah, looks like I will need to like project these guys too, huh? Yeah. And I'll add those lines like I did earlier. I think that's going to be both usable and needed. There we go. Okay. And then we'll see if this closes. And if it closes, then that's great. If it doesn't, well, then I'm gonna have to start searching. Where is it open? So that it closes this shape so that we can extrude it. I think what might be best is having a couple, yeah, there we go, closed, perfect. What might be best is having a couple of blocks overlap each other. So like at like this level, It'd be like 3 down and 3 up kind of overlap each other on either side of it. And I think that that's probably going to be the best means of having each of these panels vertical, or each of these panels reach this high. Oh, does that not want to? Interesting. Okay. All right, let's do a little extrude of, I think I'm going to make these 3/4 inch panels, 18 millimeters, new body. There we go. That's our first vertical panel. I think I'm going to take this mid-plane. I'm going to extend it 8 feet. No, not, what am I doing mid-plane? I want an offset plane. There we go. Minus 8 feet. Okay, I'm going to turn on my constructions. Oh, does it land on something? Oh, it doesn't. Okay. Should it land in between, or should it land? I remember having this conversation with myself earlier, or rather with, should it land in between, or should it land? Let's make it land right there on this, so then that way we have good thing. We have like positive stops, or like things that it lines up with, so that positive stops or something, things that it lines up with, so that we can actually figure, so we can actually, whatchamacallit, have some things line up, you know? That's the word. Okay. And then gonna take, excuse me. Okay. All right, that's fine. That's fine. I'm gonna go plane at an angle. What's that? Front. Yeah, it's perfectly fine. I'm gonna do offset minus 8 feet. Perfect. Now we have some overlap as well. Do we have 3? Oh yeah, we have three sheets of overlap. I'm not gonna be able to do anything. We have 3 panels of overlap, 2 panels of overlap. This might not work out, but it's okay. Right there. Like if I continue this line across, it won't be, but it's fine. Gonna make it, yeah, I'm gonna give it a positive stop on this guy right there. I guess you can't really call it a positive stop, because like I'm gonna make it flush. That's the word I'm going for. I'm gonna make it flush to this, to that block, so that it actually, we have something to register it by. How about that? That's what the word is. Okay. All right. So now I'm gonna just delete this. I know my lines are all funky and stuff, and it's kind of cool, but anyway. Now I'm gonna take that body that I created. I'm gonna make 2 of them. Shown browser. Where are you? There you are. I'm just gonna move and create copy. Click OK. 1, 2. All right, first one, I'm gonna chop it. Take the body, splitting tool, that guy right there. Done. Close it off. Next guy. Oop. take that and take that one, split it. Okay. All right. I don't want the top. I'm going to delete it. Wait, what? Huh. Okay. Let's figure this out. You. Bottom. You are... I'm just going to call him bottom for now. That guy I'm going to delete because I don't need him. Remove. Okay. That one I don't want because I'm going to remove that as well. Right? Ah, did it again. I goofed up. Okay, let's try this again. Just remove, delete, undo, undo, undo. That one. That one. Okay. I did that cut, so I want to keep this top one. I don't want to keep this bottom one. Remove. Cool. Close that. Open this one up. And now I'm going to take this body, split it with the top, and we're calling that good. All right. I want to keep that bottom, but I don't want to keep the top. And we're going to remove. I'm going to turn this one back on. And now we have overlapping things. That is fantastic. I'm going to then align this face with this face. And now they are going to overlap. And I like that very, very much. All right. Oh, I shouldn't have deleted the other one, should I? Undo. Okay. That guy is just one. All right. Now I'm going to right click, copy, paste. Okay. Okay. Gonna turn off this one. Gonna go for this one first. Here. Okay. Here's my train of thought now. I'm going to make these cuts. I'm gonna keep the alternating ones. Turn off. Turn off. Oop. Turn off. Okay. Okay. Cut the bottom one. All right. So I'm going to take this guy and cut it with the top one. That's good. I'm going to just close this for a second. Okay. I'm going to call this one a bottom, just for now. A bottom. A top. Let's do this. There we go. Okay. And it's going to be B top, B bottom. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah, I'm gonna delete this just for now. Not delete, move. Just hide. That's what I meant to say. That's the word. Right, like that. We're good. No. I screwed up. Okay. I want to keep all. No. Top. And then I want a bottom. Yeah. Okay. Put then if I keep that and that, that doesn't work. uh, why is my brain stuck right now? Does it matter? Hold on. Am I... Wow, why am I being so dumb? All right, let's think of this. Yeah, I'm just back to where I started, and I don't think I need to do anything more. Like, there's no alternating or anything like that. Like, we're always going to have an overlap no matter what. Because it's not like I can stagger. What I'm trying to think of doing is like staggering things, but that doesn't matter because we have overlap now on two of them. So we're going to have multiple points of contact or multiple points that it's going to just bolt together. So yeah, that makes no difference or sense right now. We're going to have two panels that are going to like fully bolt together, like two cross blocks that are going to fully bolt together. So makes absolute no difference. And I mean, worst case scenario, I just put a wedge a piece in between here, and that'll be like a sandwiching piece that holds it too. Okay, that's good. I like that. Shall we apply a wood paneling to it? Pine, usually, I use pine usually to represent plywood. Okay. Oh, not all of them selected. Appearance. Pine again. There we go. Close. And everything is pine now. Okay. I don't know if weight holes are going to be necessary for any of this. May or may not. Just looking at it from the right side like this. So actually kind of want to do perspective, camera perspective. There we go. And I'm going to apply this thing. Apply the array. Cool, 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 cool. But now I'm going to edit this array. Come on. Ooh, can I just select? No, I can't. I was like, what? Can I just select it? And no. Okay, I tried double clicking to see if it's going to open it up, but nothing yet. Anytime now would be great. Can we? Like, I'm just waiting. Edit circular pattern. Thank you. Just want to array this just to have a look at it, or even just like to add it to the procedure. Gonna see if I can select a couple more panels here. This and this. Can I change add bodies? There we go. There. Can I? Oh, do I have to remove all of them? Great. Okay. Is it being dumb right now? Like, what's going on here? Okay, I'm just gonna do this. I don't understand. Something about Fusion right now is not working out too well. Like, it's not allowing me to just select all of them at once. Oh, I think it's trying to... Oh, you know, with the update that just came out, I feel like it's trying to process everything really quickly. Yeah. See how quick that processes now? So it came from the update recently. At least I think it did. It did. Like, it would make sense. Yeah, that's much quicker than before. Holy moly. Like, just even within the preview, it's already processing that. And let's see how long it takes to actually finalize this. I think it's gonna be no time at all, actually. Okay. Yep, did it. All right, cool. All right, so that makes everything work. That's pretty nice. I love the perspective view, just like when you're actually designing something, so you can actually have a good perspective look at it. It's just, I don't know. It makes me happy. What can I say? I'm just gonna select everything. Appearance, turn it wood. Let's do that. Holy moly, it's already been 40 minutes and I feel like I've done nothing. All right. Ooh, all right, let's do all of this. Appearance. There we go. Keep, remove. There we go. Appearance can't be deleted because of sure. No problem. Just do it, please. No. Oh, it's back. I thought it crashed. I swear I thought it crashed. Okay. Okay, close. Is it popping up every single instance of this warning? Are you kidding me? This is going to take a while. Yeah, I don't care. This is going to be annoying. Okay. To delete the appearance, first unassign and delete this. I may restart. Fusion. Not a big fan. Fusion, why you gotta go out and break stuff? Okay, I'm wasting my time here. All right. Set up and diagnostic, get diagnostic, clear cache data. No, cancel. Damn, I thought I got it. Ooh. Shit. 20%. Oh, I want it. Okay, we're working online. Turn off notification. Come on. Holy moly. Ah. Okay, hold on. Maybe it might be one of this. Nope, not one of that either. Oh, God. Okay. Maybe I am going to restart. Maybe I am. It was disappearing. And then I moved my mouse over it. So, it's just going to keep reappearing for every instance of that problem. That's truly insane. All right, whatever. You do you, Fusion. Enjoy. Okay. Let's think about bolt holes, right? All right, I'm going to step this back a second. There we go. I don't need the array. I just need to do one vertical piece, and I'll go from there. Okay, so what would have been really nice is if I could, in the cross panels, I could attach the tops of these, but I can't because they make a curve. So they're it's like a faceted compounded curve. I don't know how else to explain it. So would have been cool if I could have just like slotted it on, but no, I decided that I need to make my life a living hell, and that's what I'm gonna do. You know, I gotta stick to making my life a living hell right now. All right, so wiring is gonna have to go through, but the problem is it's probably gonna be attached to the blocks, right? So maybe how to do this. Okay, let's talk about bolt holes first. Let's just make some bolt holes. Oh, I didn't keep any of it. Let's grab something from McMaster Car. I want a T-nut. Excuse me. All right, what kind of T-nut do I want? Steel T-nut, inserts for wood. Yeah, just go straight for that. What size do I want? 1/4 for sure. Should I just do 1/4 just to make it simple, right? Installed length. Okay, got it. Wish I had a little diagram of what install length. Installed. Do I want it going through? No, I don't. Flange diameter. Okay. 3/4 flange diameter. 1 1/4 flange diameter. 3/4. One. What's better? I think 3/4 is reasonable. 3/4 flange. Barrel. What does installed length mean? Installed LG. Anyway, barrel length. Quarter 20. I think these are the same diameter. Yeah, all the diameters are fine. Install length. Is it 9/16? No, it's not. 8/16. This is half. It's a little more than half. That's possible, actually. Okay. Okay, I think I'm gonna go for quarter 20s. Makes sense. I'm gonna do quarter 20s. There we go. Just gonna go for that CAD file. Quarter 20s, 3/4. There we go. Come on. You kidding me? Can I not select the CAD file? I want to go into this one, please. Okay. Yeah, Fusion needs to get shut down right now. All right, save this file, restart it. I need to shut down Fusion. All right, sounds good. Yeah, sure. I've nothing to save on that one. Whatever. Don't save. Go away, fly. All right, let's close that. Let's restart this because I'm getting real fed up. All right, and we're gonna restart Fusion. Yeah, no one's watching, as you can see. I don't mind that. All right. Do I have... Oh, God. Okay. All right, let's go. Let's redo this. Let's open it up. Sorry. The original one. Set it to read only now. And okay. Close that up. Reposition. All right, let's reinsert this McMaster car file. Let's see, T-nuts. Sure, wooden ones. We said quarter 20, 3/4 inch diameter, flange, barrel, length makes sense. It's a little over a half. That's the one. Perfect, that's what I wanted to see, thank you. Oh, why can't I go see the CAD? Where is it? In stock. Oh, Pierce. All right. Step file with threads. Yep. Download. Let's bring it over here. Just bring it. Just bring it. How about that? All right. Let's look at it from the... Let's just bring it over normally. Come on. All right. Here we go. Look at it from the side. Bring it up. Okay. Cool. Finally. All right. So we're okay. So my question is, do I want I think I want T-nuts. I don't know if there's any benefit on either side, like, but I am going to do this. Put this on there. Okay. Flip. There we go. That point. Okay. Move there, and then I'll just turn the line of U to U. Okay, it's gonna create capture position. Yep. Just gonna do a. Oh. Thank you. Interesting. Okay. Let's see, I'm gonna put that there. Finish sketch. I'm gonna move this guy over. Do point to point. Yeah, perfect. Okay. Okay, go back to the sketch. Edit sketch. I'm gonna do 3/4. I'm gonna do a little bit more than 3/4. Okay. Turn this guy off. Browser, hey.
Why'd you move all my plants?
What's that?
Why'd you move all my plants?
Oh, I forgot to put them back. Sorry. Because I opened the door when I was like vacuuming out the computer.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. All right. Let's see if I turn. Yeah, I'm gonna turn. I didn't check to see how thick this was, so I'm just gonna turn all these off, and I'm just gonna do quick face to face. That's 175 millimeters. 127 millimeters. Turn this off. Oh, also, yes, let's just find out the flange right now. That is diameter 7, really? 747. Okay. In this sketch, let's try to edit that. 7.75, 75 I said. 7.75. Oh, should I have brought it back by 1? Yeah, I should have. Finish sketch. Okay. Yeah. Yep. Okay, this is what I should have done. I'm gonna step back to here. Oh no, shouldn't have done it that far. Damn it. Oh, dumb. Okay, well, now it's gonna process that. Okay. That sketch. That. Okay, I'm gonna delete these guys. That puts our thing way back in outer space again. That's totally fine. Let it calculate all that again. Oh yeah, you know what? I should have brought in the hardware before as well. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay. Okay. Compute finished. You sure about that? It's bottom right says compute finished. I don't know. I think you're messing with me. So I feel like, yeah, this fusion file is just going to be the structure. And I'm going to have to export each plane. All right, there we go. Okay, so even this guy, I'm going to remove. I'm going to delete. Yeah. Delete group, expand, and content. Both group and its contents. Yeah. I'm going to delete that guy because I'm going to put him in earlier. So in that way it arrays with everything. Yeah. Is it done? No, it's still computing. Okay. No, I'm kind of silent right now, just thinking about things. So if I move over to there. If I do it earlier, though, I feel like I need to. Would that mean that I need to have created this structure before the holes? Before the array? Yeah. Add the so add the hardware, add the holes, move this guy up. Can I move him? DM feature. Oh. Well, oh, I didn't know I can convert something to direct modeling feature. That's good. Okay, suppress features. Okay. I'll learn that. Can I move him? No, I can't move him. Oh, that's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Stay there, stay there, stay there, stay there, stay there. Don't stop thinking, stop thinking. No, 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 no. Thank you. Okay. I need to. Wow. Spin. Okay. I need to. I need to go back to even before that. Makes sense, right? And then I have to add the hardware, add the hole, but I also have to add the hole into the upright supports too. So if I have the holes all the way down, I can go back into the sketch, into that sketch, grab the holes that I've arrayed, cut those out too, and then that'll be that. Okay, cool. Project them. Yeah, project them in. So that'll be fine. So let it calculate back. It would be great as if my computer was just a little bit faster. Okay, let's add these holes, sketch this. I could have sworn, I guess not, right? Okay, so project that and that. Cool. We're gonna do a line, construction line, there to there, and we're gonna do one there to there. And then I'm going to do a circle of 3/4, so 0.8 inches, just to make it a little bit bigger than what I suggest, than what we needed. And then another circle right here, 0.8. I don't know why it has to be a negative. There we go, inches. Also does not need to be a construction line, can be a regular one. Then I'm gonna do a 7. I'm tired of its construction lines, but circle 7.75. That'll be our hole. And then circle has 7.75. And that'll be that. All right, these I'm gonna put all the way through. Cut. Oops. And these I'm gonna cut all the way through. And do extrude. Cut all the way through. Perfect. Yep, and I want that sketch back and turn these. It was 1.25 millimeter. Sure. Extrude minus 1.25. There we go. Cut. Okay. Cross up A. Radial projections, radial. Alright, center line. Block, cross, sketch, tap cut, Cammon. Okay. Okay. All right, now I think I'm gonna add that guy on. Nope. Yeah, I'm gonna have to have these T-nuts on. Do I have him? Hold on. If I have the cuts, I gotta think parametrically. Oh my god, this is ridiculous. I hate this. I want to just go back to doing everything in. Oh, why is this so hard to think about? Okay, timeline wise. If I do these holes first, I need to do the T-nuts on the vertical beams. Hold on, I'm just going to send this to Allie. Never mind, Allie is going to bed. So, all right. Oh, this was a real fail of a day. All right. If I cut these now, I need to cut these now and add the T-nuts in these steps before I array them down because I want them to just follow there, right? I think that's correct. So save, and then this one I'm just going to delete. That step just doesn't make sense anymore. So I've got these holes in, and I'm just going to include a washer. So now I'm just going to include a washer, screws, the washers, the screws, and T-nuts. And I think that's what's gonna make sense, right? Yeah. Okay, so go back to T-nuts. Oof, be great if I could spell. T-nuts. Okay, 1/4, 20, 3/4 flange. This one right there. Not a solid work. I want to step and download. Okay. Come on, buddy. Okay, top. Let's just bring him in relatively close. Top. All right, and then side. Bring him up. Okay. Point to position. No. Point to point. And then I'm going to stick that guy to that hole. Yeah. And I'm going to move him. Do okay. Capture position, okay. Then I'm gonna align this to that. No. Gonna align this to that. Oh, you know what? Gonna do this and this. I'm gonna delete these two. I'm gonna redo this. And its contents. Hold on, I'm gonna redo this again. This is so much harder when you have to think about, but I mean, like, I have to start really, I have to start practicing in parametric, really, because, like, I gotta really think in parametric and start doing it properly. 320 quarters, that one. SolidWorks. Steps. Download. I'm gonna do a point. That point to. Oh, no, 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 no. Cancel. Gonna move this over. I don't want the array. Now I'm gonna insert it. Yeah, I'm struggling again, like I did last week, and I feel like now that I'm making more mistakes, I'm more self-conscious about it, and now I'm also starting to get more nervous about doing mistakes. So, yeah. Okay. Is it in? Yes, it is. Point to point. Come on. It's not that. There. Capture position. I don't think that I'm going to be able to line it up. Anything better than that? Yeah, point to position. No. Okay. So we're good. Let that go. And then I'm going to align this to that. That works. And then I'm also going to move him 18 millimeters. Yep. 18 mil. Minus 18. There we go. And I'm going to move, and I'm going to do translation, but I'm going to select this guy. Going to do another point to point. Set copy. And then, oh, my. Maybe I don't need to add it here, because if I'm doing half one side and then half on the other side, I don't need to. Yeah, you're right. You're right. Already this bothers me. Like, I wish I didn't have that, but what can you do? Will that work? Yes. All right. Holes are on all the vertical ones. I like that. I'm going to turn on the constructions. I want to try something slightly different. I want to go here. Finish sketch. Okay, where do I have it? Top of that one, bottom of that one. Fudge. Which one is it? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Top of 10, 11, bottom of 11. Okay. Top of 10, edit. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So top of 10. Oh. Oh. Excuse me. Did I say you can have an offset? Did I say you can have a gap? Interesting. There's a small gap now. It's a rounding error. Great. Yeah, because that's all I need now. Just a rounding error everywhere. So frustrated with that. Okay. It's not insignificant either. Holy crap. But these are fine. Are they just not perpendicular? No, they have to be perpendicular. Anyway, all right. I'm gonna do the bottom of this guy. Yeah, I'm gonna wrap this up after this. I think just cause. I'm gonna have to understand why is there a gap there on these ones, but not on these ones. Huh. Fractions of a degree. I gotta understand why, though. Okay, so it's off by fractions of a degree now. This one's fine. This one starts to deviate. Okay. I wonder if there's a line there that I screwed up on and I selected the wrong one. Is it loading up the Z pattern? I don't know. Circular pattern? Oh yeah, looks like I also forgot to open up my camera. Whoops. It's fine. Oh my god, that's why. It's not centered. Okay. All right. That's where I'm ending it. Okay, so I'm gonna stop here again. I gotta fix this line. So once I fix that line, everything should be lining up all right. I think I'm gonna do this off camera. I'm tired of fixing things on camera. So one of these days I'm gonna sit down. I'm gonna fix this, and that'll fix our problem. I'll redo the sketches. Also think about the order of operation here. So I might do a couple of steps backwards to fix this all, but we'll go from there. All right.